Previously on DK Schweizer Leather.
And then here we have is our state-of-the-art leather cutting machine. What makes us different from any neighborhood cushion shop? We put in extra safety measures when it comes to side airbags. Alright, welcome back guys for episode 3. I hope you liked the last episode. Now we're here at the installation area of DK Schweizer. Alright guys, I would like to show you what takes place when you drop off your car at DK Schweizer. Firstly, a full interior and exterior inspection of your car will be done by our professional quality control technician before proceeding to the installation area. The purpose of this is to check all the functions of your car, such as the seats, the doors, the windows, to ensure that all the functions of the car is operating properly as it should be. Right, next up is the removal of your original fabric or leather seat covers. All the covers that we provide are not slip-on covers, so we need to remove all the original seat covers and put on our new ones. This ensures OEM quality fitment and safety. For older cars, to ensure perfect fitment of our seat covers, we'll add on additional foam to the seat. After the new seat covers are installed, it is not done yet. To reduce the wrinkle effect on the leather, we will need to heat it up by either ironing technique or steaming technique. As leather is a natural product, generally some wrinkles will appear upon fitment. What sets us apart from cushion shops is that we have an in-house quality control and quality assurance team to check the final outcome of the car and performs an overall quality checking for wrinkles, leather bulging, loose insulation and other quality defects before the customer collects the car, ensuring quality that is better than OEM standards. Alright guys, final finished product from DK Schweizer. This customer didn't like the leather he got from the original OEM Mazda BT50, so he opted to change his original leather to our DK leather. So here we have it, featuring our premium grade Italian Napa leather. As you can see here, what we have here is our DK Schweizer side embossed logo. To ensure the seat covers are original, do look out for this DK Schweizer side emboss whenever you buy our products, as there are a lot of cushion shops out there claiming to be buying from us. If you don't find them on the seat covers you buy, it may not be produced from us. Alright guys, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed how our products are being made from start to finish. If you're keen on purchasing or make an inquiry, link in the description, you know where to find us. Stay tuned as we have more videos coming soon. If you enjoyed our videos, give this video a thumbs up and be sure remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel.